Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Dodge Charger side marker lights. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool, a new side marker light, and perhaps a small flathead screwdriver. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. A clean, well-lit workspace will make this task much easier and help prevent losing any small parts. Now, let's remove the old side marker light. Gently insert your plastic trim tool between the light and the bumper or fender. Carefully pry the light out, applying even pressure to avoid scratching your vehicle's paint. Once the light is loose, you will see an electrical connector. Press the small release tab on the connector and pull it straight off. Take a moment to inspect the wiring for any signs of wear. With the old light removed, it is time to install your brand new side marker. First, connect the electrical harness to the new light. You should hear a distinct click, indicating a secure connection. Before fully installing, turn on your vehicle's parking lights to confirm the new light illuminates correctly. Once confirmed, align the new light with the opening in the fender or bumper and firmly press it into place until it sits flush and secure. Great job! You have successfully replaced your Dodge Charger side marker light. Now, perform a final check to ensure both side marker lights are working and have consistent illumination. Take a moment to clean the surrounding area, removing any fingerprints or smudges. For a perfectly matched look, many owners choose to replace both side marker lights at the same time. This simple DIY project can significantly enhance your vehicle's appearance and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.